matter, Tempy? You want to go bye-bye? You don't have your shoes on, though. Go get them. Where are your shoes?
Shorts.
And your socks. Well, you don't need socks if you get your pink shoes. Where are your pink flower shoes? In your room? Lord, let's see how messy this room is. Holy guacamole. Wow. Yeah, this room is a mess. Let's let Mommy leave this room before Mommy has a stroke. Hang on, I'm going to go turn the TV off. I don't see your pink shoes. So I see lots of other things that I'm not happy with. Good night. Here, you can wear your boots. Not those. Oh no. Your shoes. Where's your other shoe? Okay, I'm turning this off because this is just gross.